Pasta alla vodka, one of the most iconic and surprising Italian pasta dishes. It's creamy, rich, and full of flavor. But what makes it really special is not just the taste. In this video, we're going to cook this pasta together. We'll tell you the story of how pasta alla vodka was invented. And we also share how we first made it at home and why it became one of those dishes everyone keeps asking us to cook again. So stay with us until the end because this pasta has much more to tell than you might think. Let's take a look at the ingredients we'll be using to make this dish. Pasta. We are using penne, perfect for holding this creamy sauce in every bite. Simple tomato sauce, the base that brings balance and warmth. Guanciale. Traditionally, this recipe is made with pancetta, but we personally love using guanciale. It gives a deeper, richer flavor that makes the sauce unforgettable. Heavy cream, soft, silky, and essential for that iconic pink color. Red onion, slightly sweet, perfect for a gentle base. A little butter for richness and smoothness. And of course, the most important ingredient, vodka. Don't worry, the alcohol cooks out, but the flavor stays. Parmesan cheese because every great pasta deserved it. Just a touch of salt to bring everything together. There are all ingredients we need. Simple, but when combined, pure magic. Let's start by bringing a pot of water to a boil. Add a generous pinch of salt. The water should taste like the sea. Cover it with a lid and let it boil while we prepare the sauce. Now we finally chop the red onion. The first time we made pasta alla vodka at home, we were honestly just curious. We invited a few friends over and told them, "Tonight, you're trying something different." Everyone was skeptical at first. Vodka in pasta? But after the first bite, the place was completely clean. And since then, this pasta became one of our most requested dishes. Next, we cut the guanciale into small pieces. And while we do this, let me tell you a little story. Pasta alla vodka became popular in Italy in the 1970s and 80s. Some say it was created in Rome, others say it came from Bologna. And there are even stories that it was invented for a vodka brand promotion. What's interesting is that this pasta was considered very modern at the time, something new, bold, and different. And today, decades later, it's still loved all over the world. Add the butter to the pan and let it melt gently. Then add the red onion and cook it slowly on medium heat. We don't want color here, only softness and sweetness. Now add the guanciale. Let it render slowly. This is where the flavor really starts building. No rush, let the fat melt and perfume the whole pan. And now the vodka. Add it carefully and let it cook for a few moments. This step enhances the tomato flavor and gives the sauce its unique character. You won't taste alcohol, only deep. Add that tomato sauce and mix everything well. Let it simmer gently so all the flavors can come together. At this point, the kitchen already starts smelling incredible. comes the cream, the star that gives the sauce its famous pink color. Mix it slowly until the sauce becomes smooth and silky. At this point, lower the heat and let the sauce cook gently. We want it slow, no rushing here. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the sauce becomes thick, creamy, and full of flavor. This is when everything really comes together. Now we cook the pasta until al dente. When it's ready, we add it directly to the sauce. Give everything a good mix so every penne is perfectly coated. Now we grate Parmesan cheese directly into the pan. This step makes the sauce even creamier and richer. Always add it off the heat so it melts gently and stays smooth. Time to plate. A little extra Parmesan on top, and of course fresh basil. And this is our pasta alla vodka. Creamy, comforting, elegant, and full of history. If you enjoyed it cooking with us today, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Together in Our Italian Kitchen. Give this video a like and let us know in the comments if you've ever tried pasta alla vodka before. Thank you for cooking with us and we'll see you in the next recipe.